Hey guys, welcome back. Yesterday I was watching some other videos on YouTube and I get like the green-eyed monster comes out where I get envious of other people's homes. Everyone's decorating for Valentine's Day and I was like, I also wanted pretty pink Valentine's decor, so I caved a little bit. I gave myself a budget of $20 and my Dollar Tree is the worst, so I wasn't feeling optimistic, but I was pleasantly surprised. By far my favorite thing they have right now for Valentine's Day and spring are the faux roses. Not only do they look really high-end, but the color is so pretty. They have 3 different shades that you can choose from. They're like this soft, beautiful pink that I think goes with any decor. So I picked up a bunch of those and it instantly transformed my table. These are plates from the Dollar Tree, chargers from the Dollar Tree, just grabbing some mason jars and adding flowers to them. I clipped some of the flowers off to add them for place settings. And I think I spent $4 on this and I love the way it turned out. It just brightens my table, makes it feel springy and full of Valentine's Day love for just a few dollars. I found this vinyl word for the wall down the craft section for $1, which is like a little subtle, you can peel it off after, but it's like a little subtle Valentine's Day. The next thing I found and loved are these wooden sticker hearts. They're like, I don't know, you get like 9 for $1, which is a great price. They're actually really beautiful. They have the sticker already on the back, so you can add them to candles. I love that I can add little pops of hearts in pink throughout my home without spending a lot of money, and they're reusable. You just peel them off and use them again next year. I was pretty shocked that the Dollar Tree has really beautiful decor items. They have this plastic love sign in gold and black. They have these XOXO kisses and a little canvas love sign. For $1, these are amazing finds. You're gonna pay so much more for these anywhere else. I just painted the XO pink. I really love how high quality these look. You can add them on a coffee table, on a tray, or on a bookshelf, or just setting them here and there throughout your home for those subtle little hints of Valentine's Day. For my mantle, I added those tall white and pink flowers into a vase I already had. I had dollar store C and J letters that are like Cassandra and Joe. That's mine and my husband's name, but I love the little Dollar Tree easel. I added one of those sticker hearts to it, so it's like Cass loves Joe. I have lovebirds that are from the dollar store that I painted white a couple years ago, and more of the pink, of course, more of the pink roses that I tucked into a vase that I already had. That's also from the dollar store. I'm seeing a theme here. I may have a dollar store addiction, but I love the way this turned out. It's just little hints of pink, but my home feels fresh. I feel like, I don't know, every time I add a little decor to my home, even if it's Dollar Tree decor, I just love my home a little bit more. I work from home, so this is all I see, these 4 walls. I don't have much of a social life. And so looking at the same thing all day, every day can feel a little mundane. It can feel like, ugh. So I love treating myself to little new decor pieces, even if it's just roses from the Dollar Tree. It just brightens my home, but more than that, it brightens my mood. It definitely makes me have a little house love. And yeah, on a small budget. So I'm hoping you're feeling inspired. If you're feeling like, I don't want to decorate for Valentine's Day, I would challenge you to maybe just consider a few pink roses for a pop of color on your kitchen table. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because I'm so excited. Next week, we're starting filming our web series where I'm making over messy spaces in my community. I'm donating my time and products to transform people's homes, and I'm going to be filming the whole process and sharing it with you. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I don't have a funny story for you today. Just warning you, there's no hilarious story today. I'm in a terrible mood. I'm almost never in a mood like this, but I want to just stand on a soapbox and yell at the world today. So I thought I would share my terrible mood with you. You may not like this, but this is just what's going on in my life, so I thought I'd share it with you. I had weight loss surgery almost 4 months ago. I went from 240 pounds to 270 pounds. I went from a size 16 to a 12. I went from an XXL to a large or sometimes medium. It's very exciting. And I have moments like when I'm trying on clothes that I'm like, that feels good and I'm happy. But here's the honest truth. 99.9% of the time, I never think about my weight. And when I was 240 pounds, I never thought about my weight. It was like, I don't know if it's the opposite of anorexia or whatever, but I would look at a mirror and I would just see me and I'd be like, yeah, you look good today or whatever, you know, and I would be reminded of my size when I would see a picture of myself because what? Who is that person that was not me? Or I would be trying on clothing and have to go to a plus size clothing. But otherwise, I would forget that I was a big girl. Like, honestly, maybe it's because I'm sort of dumb, but I just didn't think of it. And so it didn't bum me out. It wasn't like I was like, my life would be so much better if I was skinnier. I didn't think about it. And it wasn't until sort of like society reminded me all the time that something was wrong with me for being big. Subtle ways, diet commercials, the guy at the grocery store recommending keto, even though I've never spoke to him in my life, or, you know, just people looking at me with pity. I got that a lot. And so, or like, I don't even know, and maybe it was just in my mind, but I felt like people are almost like fatophobe. So at my heaviest, like I would go to events and nobody would talk to me. And now I'm still big, but I do find people are friendlier. And I don't know if it's me or if it's them, but I'm just really angry about it. That's the honest truth, because people will say you must be so much happier now that you've lost weight. And I'm the same. I was happy before and I'm happy now. Being fat did not make me miserable, and being thinner does not make me happier. I'm literally the same person. Maybe that's just me, but I think real happiness comes within. And I think for so many of us, we don't see ourselves the way other people see us. So I didn't see myself. The first thing I thought when I looked in the mirror was not, oh, she's fat. But I'm sure that's the first thing other people think when they see me. So they assume that's my thought about myself as well. So I guess that's what I'm struggling with now. I'm just sad for humanity because we all judge ourselves based on appearance. We judge others based on their appearance. Maybe it's human nature. Maybe it's something we can never change, but I just wanted to say that. I just wanted to say that the truth is my life is no different. And even if I get to 140 pounds or whatever, my life will be the same. I will be healthier. I will be able to run, possibly. I signed up for a 5K, so I don't have to like carry another 100 pounds on my back as I run. But otherwise, self-love really has nothing to do with what you look like. Self-esteem doesn't come from a gym. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys. I don't know why. I felt like it. So I'll have a funny story for you next time, I promise. Sorry about that. See you guys next time.